In this session, I will explain how to place equations in your document. Generally, if you are typing document related to mathematics or scientific equations, if you want, means in insert tab you have symbols group, that is first one is equation. You have already some predefined equations they listed here. You can directly insert that particular equation, and you can also edit already existed equation. Suppose I can say something y here instead of x. Otherwise, if you don't want like this, means you can prepare your own equation by inserting an equation, and here see insert new equation. Automatically the equation tab will come. Here you have to prepare your equation. So suppose in this we have different options related to, suppose, fractions. In the box, two boxes they gave. Suppose in this I am typing like this. You can type in the box, and continuation you can use some other like x square, and superscript subscript like that, and like this also. You can also edit this text by removing the old text, and you can type new text there. And suppose radical like roots, suppose I can type here in the box, and here in the box something like that. So like that you can insert any kind of options provided. For example, matrix. In the matrix box you can type the matrix related information inside the boxes, okay, like this. And finally you click outside the equation, and see, not only you prepare a new equation, and you can prepare a new equation from inc equation options. In this you have to draw your equation roughly. Automatically that will prepare your equation. Suppose I want to place a plus b whole square. So I am writing here using mouse a plus b like this, and I am placing these brackets, and finally square. So automatically the related equation came here, and if you want you can arrange. Suppose I want to arrange these two, and in this place again I want to write, see this, write, and a plus b cube I am giving. Finally you can insert that one. So like this also you can prepare equations, and if you are in the equation, here they provided so many symbols which are not available in the keyboard. You can use like these symbols, any one. Okay. Like that you can place any kind of equations in your document. And here we have symbols option also. In symbols option, frequently used options listed here, and if you want more symbols, you click on more symbols and you can select the font, and you can select the currency subset like currency symbols. Suppose I am selecting something like that. Okay, different symbols are there. You can select any symbol and finally insert. Where you placed your cursor in the document, there it will come. And recently used symbols also. And I am changing, suppose Greek symbols will come, and basic Latin. So like that you can select the number of symbols and finally insert. Okay.